Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we have a beautiful 1985 Jeep CJ7. We got Al here to help me talk about this beautiful ride.
Well, this car is a complete frame-off restoration, Nyla. The man has spent, well over $65,000, $75,000. He is letting us sell this for him. I mean, he has the big 4.2 liter six-cylinder, not the little small engine. This is a car with air conditioning, heavy-duty cooling, heavy-duty battery, disc brakes, power steering. The frame on this truck is powder coated. When they took off the complete frame, they powder coated the whole chassis, which is really kind of cool. She does have air conditioning. Obviously, she's standing a little taller with some bigger wheels and tires on. She's removable.
So beautiful.
I just have never really seen one done as nice as this, and so much of its original look that they were back in the day. A lot of guys jack them up and put 36-inch wheels on them. This is just an incredible truck. Let's look inside here really quick. Oh, got it locked. Look at the floors. Look at the nuts and bolts holding down the chairs. It's just incredibly done.
Beautiful.
Got a roll bar, tilt steering wheel, which is really kind of cool.
Nice
Day-night mirror. Adjustable West Coast mirrors.
So pretty.
And the bottom of this car looks nicer than the top of the car, if you can believe it.
Awesome.
Which we'll show you after we take it for a spin.
Yes. So next we're going to crank the engine and we'll take it for a spin down the road and then we'll take a look at the underneath.
Right.
I'm ready.
Alright, we got us a 1985 Jeep CJ7, not a 5. I'm 6'3", and getting in a 7 is a lot easier than getting in a 5.
Right.
I'll shut that air off so you can hear me a little better. So we have a completely frame-off restorated 4.9 liter, 4.8 liter big head 6, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Everything in this truck works, which is so cool. So many of them they don't, but I just can't believe the bottom of this truck. Completely powder coated frame, and when you show them, the frame has a shine on it like it's been waxed. Bushings and tie rods and tie rod ends and shackles and everything that you can name it has been redone in this truck. Air conditioning blows nice and cold, but I thought we'd take it for a quick little spin just to let let them see me shift through the gears.
Sure.
I mean, look at no creaks or, it's amazing.
Yeah.
1985. Power too, strong motor. The paint job on this truck now has got to be $10,000, $12,000.
Sure.
All the cracks and the finishing parts of the body, I've never seen it look so nice on a Jeep. Someone really took their time on it. Nuts and bolts like this, all stainless steel throughout the truck are chrome. Got the little Bluetooth speaker here because the radio's been updated to that Bluetooth speaker.
Yes, it has.
Really
It's
cool.
got really nice speakers in the back too. It's got kickers, which are a really, really good brand.
Yes, and it has the roll bar in the back. But this is the car you can get in and take to Michigan from Florida without ever thinking about it twice. It's that solid. And a lot of these cars that have been redone aren't that way. Whoever did this, according to the Sun, they spent upwards of $65,000 doing this truck 4 years ago.
Wow.
In today's market, who knows what that would be?
Right.
But fourth gear, no problem. Speedometer, odometer, all the gauges work, fine.
Awesome.
But the exciting part is the bottom of this truck. I cannot wait to show it.
Awesome.
Very good brakes, as you can see. So we'll spin it, get it up on the lift, and show that part of it off.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thanks.